So she's about to clean my teeth. I really don't know about this.
Good morning. I just wanted to show you guys my locks real quick. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Oh my god. Look at that. So I got my locks done Saturday. So it's Monday now, so I haven't made it a week yet. But I'm super excited for my locks. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on my lock journey. I started a lock journey video, but the locks were too big. They were way too big. They looked like thumbs, and I just wasn't feeling it. I needed them to be way, way smaller than what they were. And my hair grew out, of course, so now I have a little moving room. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys my hair real quick, and the video on that is coming soon.
There was a time when you had me falling to the ground. Like a king without a crown. Whoa. Why you make it hard? Don't let me down. You might as well be lost, but I'm found. I'm waiting for your love. You just keep me hanging on. And I deserve to stay. And I'll find my way. Just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm your home. I wanna be with you always. Know you're not alone, 'cause I'm your home. In the dark we fight. You take the wrong and you make it right. Like a firefly, you're glowing at night. So don't make it hard, don't let me go. I wanna hold you tight when you're cold. I'm waiting for your love. You just keep me hanging on. I deserve to stay, and I will find my way. I will find my way.
So we're gonna do a mini Whole Foods haul because I didn't get that many groceries. I got enough, a chunk of change, okay? But I want to show you guys real quick what I got. I went to the Whole Foods in Alpharetta because like it's closer to me when I'm going home than going all the way to the other one in Sandy Springs because it's down like away. So it's easier for me to just go on my way to the house. So let me show you guys. So roasted potatoes. This is the baby heirloom with steak seasoning. And I got another one similar, but this one is with rosemary and garlic. There's that. I like to eat ramen sometimes, so I got this rice ramen there. I've never had this. This is Kung Pao chicken. It's paleo, so you know it's like healthier, quote unquote. This is my favorite salmon ever. I get this from Whole Foods, the Atlantic salmon fillet. Super good, easy. They like individually pack them in the bigger package, so it's really cool. And I got some spinach ricotta ravioli, just to add with like maybe the salmon or something. Like add a small portion of that with the salmon, make a meal. I got some sticky rice. I really like the texture of sticky rice. It's really good. We ran out of teriyaki, so I decided to switch it up and actually get some bulgogi sauce whenever we feel like eating some Asian cuisine. I love, how you pronounce this? Cornichon pickles. Mini pickles, y'all. This is my favorite ice cream from Jenny's. Y'all know Jennifer on the block. She makes some good ice cream. This is the biscuits, the sweet cream biscuits and peach jam. This is super good, y'all. Super good. I don't even know if I can see it clear, but super good. They even have it at Publix. So Whole Foods is not the only one that has that. And I got 4 of these. These are super good as well. This is cashew yogurt, strawberry flavor. I get these from Trader Joe's, but I saw these in Whole Foods. These are just beef sticks. They taste way better than Slim Jim. Slim Jim has like this tangy twang like taste that I don't care for. So I decided to get those, and they're really good. And this is some guacamole. I might snack on that because I'm actually really hungry right now. Large brown eggs. They're actually like $3.99, which is a pretty good price considering, you know. And got some baby. It's actually not really baby. Is it baby kale? It don't look like baby kale. It looks like a mix, but anyway, some spring mix. Got 2 cold pressed juices. Trying to do better with my eating, as you guys know. So I've been sipping on that. This is so good. This is just straight up marinated garlic. I love garlic. Give me all the garlic. I want it. Delicious. So good. So I might put that with the potatoes. I got some mushrooms already. Mix that up for dinner tonight. I don't feel like cooking, but I'm gonna cook anyway because I'm trying to do better. I might meal prep. I'm just gonna cook all of that at once. That's gonna be the food for tomorrow too, because I don't have time. This is garlic herb. Might have a salad to go with the food as well. Something to snack on. This is dark chocolate, nuts and berries mix. It has roasted salted almonds. It also has dark chocolate chips. What else? Cashews, dried sweetened blueberries, and cranberries. Oh, and organic pecans. So this is like a good little snack. Has a little protein in it. Got some bananas because the other ones over there, they did. So got some of those. Throw them away because they're gonna attract all the bugs in the world. I don't have time for bugs like that. And the last 2 things, some strawberries. I love strawberries, which I know, I swear to God, like they be looking beat up as soon as you get them home. And I got some plums because, y'all, it's plum season. I haven't had a plum in a minute. So I had to get up on my plums. So that's what I got. I'm gonna put everything up and then I'm going to, what am I gonna do? It's so many things I need to do. Man, look at you. Now act right.
It's hot. I'm picking it up. I'm about to see the neighbor.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that
She's about to clean my teeth. I really don't know about this. Because
he was my patient before in school.
Yeah, and
so
I was like scared.
10 times better. Don't do that.
It's like 10 times worse, so. Sorry. No, I just playing.
Get some chicken salad shit. Should we put the one closer to us? Or the one that's down, this one extra away right now?
Depends on how hungry you are. Are you starving? Or you just really want it? Let's just go to the one close by home, so by the time we get home, you can eat it.
I think they close at 7:30.
So we got plenty of time.
Yeah, lay down, baby. Baby. Your arm won't get tired. You can press your arm. There you go. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wear some glasses. Double up. I got a bright light.
Yeah. Or you can just take these off. Put them somewhere safe. I trust you.
You do?
Always.
Oh. I trust you trusting me. You're welcome. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yay.
Stevie Wonder.
Oh, I don't know now. He said he can. They said he can see.
Okay. Right. And then they be doing research on a video and they pause it.
Exactly.
Sage. Okay, that.
Exactly.
You can edit that out.
Oh yeah, I can know how to blur.
Edit it out, Sage.
Oh, I can't wait to see.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah, it's official now.
Happy. Yay. You better do it.